G'day, Andrew from Miss Moo 3D, and welcome. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video and visiting our channel. In early 2025, we started Miss Moo 3D. I wanted to take this opportunity to do this video to share you some of our backstory and how we got into the world of 3D printing. We are located in southeast Queensland in Australia. In 2015, my fiance and I started a e-commerce side hustle. I'd been heavily involved in radio controlled cars, specifically nitro on-road racing, and we set up Miss Moo RC in 2015, originally on eBay before later on moving off eBay to our own website. Radio control cars are a niche market, and slowly but surely dwindling sales led to the ultimate decision at the end of 2024 to pursue some other options outside of RC, and that led us into the world of 3D printing. I was aware of 3D printing. My youngest brother had 3D printers, and I knew he had a side hustle with an Etsy store selling miniatures and theming, etc. Although I wasn't heavily interested and didn't know exactly all the ins and outs of what he was doing. It may have been when I was home for lunch one day or end of day YouTube binge watch that I stumbled across someone reviewing a Bambu Labs 3D printer, and that led me going down a bit of a rabbit hole, quickly realizing that it wasn't going to be a niche market just like on-road radio control cars. It was open to the masses, so there was a lot of potential there. And in late 2024 we purchased our first 3D printer, and that led us to setting up our Etsy business in early 2025. At the end of 2025, after the nitro racing season came to a close, my fiance and I decided to wind up our radio control e-commerce business and just concentrate on the 3D printing business. Unsure what the future holds, but I wanted to share this backstory with you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I appreciate if you could take the time to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future content. I have things in mind going forward, and I'm sure you may be interested. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.